Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best slow cookers that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Hamilton Beach 6-quart slow cooker. This slow cooker checks all the boxes on your wish list. It's programmable or you can operate it manually. There's a temperature probe to check the temperature of your food as you cook it. And at 6 quarts, it's the perfect size for most uses. When the cooking time or temperature is reached, the cooker switches to a warming setting that will keep the food at a safe temperature. For anyone needing to travel with their slow cooker, this model has sturdy handles, and the lid has a gasket to eliminate spills. The lid also clips on tight so you can take it to a potluck or family dinner. For serving, there's a spoon that clips onto the unit to keep it from getting lost in transit. There are 3 settings: Program, which allows you to set a cooking time; Probe, which uses the temperature probe to determine doneness; and Manual, which lets you set high, low, or warm temperatures without setting a cooking time. If you live in an area with frequent power glitches, you'll appreciate that this model will stay on during brief outages and keep cooking, or keep your food warm and safe, until you get home. In addition to offering modern convenience, the Set and Forget programmable slow cooker has 3 choices for easy, automatic cooking: Program, Probe and Manual mode. On busy days, program the cooking time and Set and Forget slow cooker automatically shifts to keep warm when the cooking time is up. Cooking a large cut of meat like pot roast, chicken, or pork tenderloin. Insert the probe, set the desired meat temperature and the Set and Forget slow cooker automatically shifts to keep warm when the temperature is reached. For traditional slow cooking, manually select the high, low or warm temperature without setting a cooking time. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Crock-Pot SCCPMD1CH Hook-Up-Connectable Entertaining System, Double Oval 1 quart, Metallic Charcoal. While most slow cookers can be used on a buffet, this cooker, and the other cookers in this style, are designed for buffet serving, whether it's for a family taco night or for a holiday event. This unit holds 2 1-quart crocks that are great for dips, sauces, and small servings, so you can keep your cheese dip or mushroom gravy warm for hours or keep the soup bubbling. Set them for low, medium or high, for cooking or for serving. There are 2 other sizes available in this style, with units that hold a single 2 or 3.5 quart crock. The units connect, and up to 6 units can share a single power outlet, so it will be easier to find space for all the hot dishes on the buffet. These come in a variety of metallic colors to add some sparkle to the table. For storage, the cords store inside the base and the units stack neatly on top of each other. The connecting outlet used to join the cookers is included. Connect, customize, entertain. The Crock-Pot Hook-Up-Connectable Entertaining System provides flexibility to entertain your way. Crock-Pot hookup units plug into each other to create the perfect table setting for any size party. The bigger the party, the more units you can hook up together. Up to 6 units can plug together using one outlet. You can also use a single unit alone or a few together for more casual occasions. The Crock-Pot Hook-Up-Connectable Entertaining System is designed to be fully customizable to work the way you need them to. You can build your own system or build a spread at parties and gatherings when everyone brings a dish in their own Crock-Pot hookup. Either way, guests are impressed by an elegant-looking buffet. An entertaining tip we like to offer is setting units up throughout your party rooms so guests can mix and mingle over mini buffets. Also great for creating themed food stations by cuisine. At number 3, we have the Nesco 4818-4718 QT. Roaster oven, silver finish. While this is sold as a roaster oven, which makes sense since you can fit a 20-pound turkey, it also functions as a slow cooker for those times when you need to cook for a big crowd. It's great for making batches of food for freezing or canning, or for making enough food for parties, church suppers, or that big holiday potluck. Besides roasting and slow cooking, you can bake. It even holds a 9x13-inch baking pan, warm, steam, and use it for serving. The temperature is adjustable from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The removable insert is porcelain enameled steel that resists scratching. There's a steel rack that makes it easy to remove hot foods from the cooker. The controls are simple, with a dial to set the temperature and a small light that indicates when the temperature has been reached, but there is no timer or automatic setting to keep your food warm. This is the Nesco roaster that everyone remembers. It's the one that Grandma had at home to cook the turkey at Thanksgiving. It's also one of the most versatile cooking appliances available. It has all the outstanding features of our legendary 18-quart standard model, at a price customers find hard to resist. For many, it's the primary kitchen oven. For others, a second oven for the family room, porch, or cabin. It's portable, so you can take it along for family outings. This unit is ideal for large meals and entertaining in the home. Roast a whole turkey, up to 22 pounds, pot roast, pork roast, ham, or whole chickens. Bake cookies, cakes, pies, quiche, even whole meals. Cook soups, stews, lasagna, and hot dishes. Make enough chili for the whole gang. Steam, poach vegetables, seafood, and poultry. Slow cooks less tender cuts of meat, too. At number 2, we have the Crock-Pot 6-quart WeMo-Enabled Smart Slow Cooker, stainless steel. Wouldn't it be great to check the slow cooker without having to stop another task? With this Wi-Fi-enabled slow cooker, you can monitor and control the cooker from a distance. You can use the app to see how much cooking time is left, or you can adjust the cooking time or temperature, switch to warm, or turn the cooker off. No need to leave couch to speed up or slow down a recipe when you're involved in a great novel. Then, when you're in the kitchen, you can ignore the app and adjust the cooker in person. This has a 6-quart capacity and an oval shape to fit roasts and longer cuts of meat. The glass lid holds in heat and moisture while letting you peek at the food without lifting the lid. The stoneware insert and lid are both dishwasher safe. Sometimes getting home for dinner on time just isn't doable. Now you can connect and cook with the flexibility to have dinner ready whenever you are. Using the Crock-Pot Smart Slow Cooker with WeMo-enabled technology, you can easily increase or decrease cooking time, turn the temperature up or down, switch the slow cooker to keep warm mode or turn it completely off, all using the free WeMo app on your smart device. Remote access to all cooking functions. Simply sync your smart slow cooker to the WeMo app and you will have all-day access at your fingertips. And finally at number 1, we have the Crock-Pot SCCPVL610S, a 6-quart cook and carry programmable slow cooker with digital timer, stainless steel. The Crock-Pot programmable cook and carry slow cooker with digital timer is made for portability. Its secure locking lid and rubber gasket create an airtight seal, helping to prevent spills on the road. Food stays inside, and you arrive at your destination without any worry or mess. Bring this portable slow cooker to potlucks, family gatherings, tailgating, parties and more. The digital panel allows you to customize your cooking time between 30 minutes and 20 hours, and set the temperature on high, low, and in warm. After cooking is complete, the slow cooker will automatically shift to warm for up to 6 hours to help maintain food temperature and flavor. With dishwasher-safe components, this is the perfect digital slow cooker just about any time you need to transport food prepared at home. Recipes included. Weight, 16.18 pounds, cord length, 24-inch. Reviewers love this crock-pot for its non-stick stoneware liner and its programmable features, which, as one review describes, can set the cooking temperature to low or high in 30-minute increments all the way up to 20 hours. Several others reviewers gush over the locking lid. We have a lot of potlucks at work, and the locking lid is great for transporting food from the house to work. Between the removable bowl from the actual crock-pot, the locking lid feature, and the timer, you can't go wrong. Another reviewer summed up the appeal of this affordable slow cooker. There are other brands with a higher price tag, but it is hard to beat old reliable. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.